Hello! Welcome to the Python Django implementation of the auctions and e-commerce website for you to create auctions and play along. So in this implementation, I have created 3 models which contains all the data and then title and which field it should have, and I designed it for it, and I have it in my GitHub. So next I will show you the create listing part. Create listing, you can go here to this hyperlink and you can create a title, and I will put it Serpentine necklace. And then my title and my description would be more details about the necklace that I like. And I would say the image URL, you can copy image address and then paste into image URL, and then starting the bid. Starting the bid would be any price you want, like I would make it a bit expensive, 50,000. And you choose a type to be the necklace, and then you can submit. And this means that their necklace already show up here, a really beautiful one. And next I will show you the active listing page. This is the page of active listing, so you can look here and then see the details of different elements, different products, or the wiper bracelet, the price, and then the details or description, and owned by whom. This is very cool, right? So we will see more details about it. So what you can do is remove a watchlist or add to watchlist. So if you add it, you can have options to remove it, but if you want to remove it, you can remove it. So what you can do is place bids. You can place bids. If you type in the number like 1,000, but it's lower than 1,100, then it will occur an error and say fail to place bid. But if you place a valid number like 1,200, for example, and then you add bid, and I will say successful bid, what comes up. You can also type a comment like beautiful, for example, and then you can add a comment in here like okay, beautiful. It will pop it up, right, like this. And since I sign in as Prim and I am the owner by Prim, I can have an option to close it, and it will put up here. So I can close it, and then you can say you won the auction because you are the one who created it. And this is pretty powerful, right? So we have different auctions, and then you can. So what would actually happen if you log out and you want to see more details? So you want to see here, you are requested to log in, and that's why you have to log in, because we are ensuring that if all the users should sign in order to make any transactions or any bid. Next we will go to the watch list. So the watch list meaning that okay, I sign in and I want to see more about it, and I add it to watch list. I really like this necklace. I will go to active listing again, and then I will, okay, the one I added, I really like it, I will add to my watch list, and then I will go to my watch list, and I can see 2 of these elements or items into my watch list page. Next is the category. Well, we'll go to this category. If you want to see bracelet, and you can click submit here, the bracelet pops up. And if you want to see other category like rings, for example, and then you can submit, and then the rings pop up. And over here I have the admin interface because I create a super user, and then you can admin here, and I can log in at admin and then log in, and then you can control all the auction listing items or the bids, comments, and user, which works right with all the information watch list. And if it's closed, you can close it over here. And this is how it works out after all. Hope you enjoyed this demo.